In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix a GoDaddy website that's not working. If your site suddenly went down or it just won't load the way it should, don't worry. We'll walk through some simple checks you can do yourself before you contact support. Follow along step by step and pause the video whenever you need to. Let's start with your browser, because sometimes the problem isn't your website at all, it's just how your browser is storing data. First, try opening your site in an incognito or private browsing window. On most browsers, you can open this from the main menu at the top right. Once that private window is open, type your website address and try to load it. If your website loads correctly in incognito or private mode, that's a strong sign that your regular browser has cached or saved an outdated version of your site, or that cookies are causing conflicts. To fix this, go back to your normal browser window and clear your cache and cookies. You'll find this option in your browser's settings, usually under privacy or history. When you clear this data, you're basically telling the browser to forget the old stored files and grab a fresh copy of your website from the server. After you've cleared everything, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try visiting your website again. If it loads, you've likely solved the problem. If the browser test doesn't fix it, the next thing to check is whether your GoDaddy products are still active. If your domain name or hosting plan has expired, your site will go down immediately. To check this, sign into your GoDaddy account and go to the Renewals and Billing section. This page shows all of your domains, hosting plans, and other services, along with their status and expiration dates. Look for your website's domain name in that list and confirm that it's active and not past its renewal date. Do the same for any hosting plans linked to that site. If you see that something has expired, that's very likely the reason your website isn't working. In that case, renew the domain or hosting from that same page. Once the renewal is processed, your site may take a short time to come back online, so give it a little while before checking again. It's also a good idea to turn on auto-renew to avoid this problem in the future. If your browser looks fine and your subscription is active, the issue might be on GoDaddy's side. Sometimes services can have outages or maintenance that temporarily affect your website. To check this, visit GoDaddy's status page. You can usually find this by searching for GoDaddy status in your browser. On that page, look for any notices about outages or degraded performance, especially for web hosting, DNS, or website builder services. If the status page shows an active issue that matches the product you're using, then the problem is not something you can fix from your side. In that situation, the best step is to wait for GoDaddy's team to resolve it. You can keep checking the status page for updates, and once everything is marked as operational again, test your site one more time. By working through these checks in order, your browser, your subscription status, and then GoDaddy's system status, you can quickly narrow down what's causing your website not to work and either fix it yourself or know exactly what to tell support if you need extra help.